I mentioned earlier about the Abrahamic Reunion, which is based in Jerusalem. But tonight is super special. It's a great honor and a privilege to host not one, but two members of the Abrahamic Reunion from Jerusalem. They have the noble mission of carrying a message of peace in a tumultuous world. I'd like to introduce them to you. Sheikh Abed Manazra is the son of Sheikh Ghazan Manazra, who is the international director of the Abrahamic Reunion and a trusted negotiator for the conflict in the Middle East. Abed is a third-generation Sufi and a Muslim Palestinian and Israeli Arab peacemaker who's working for peace among young adults. He's the Israeli Programs Director of the Abrahamic Reunion and also an accomplished Sufi Arabic musician on the oud and has opened for Alicia Keys in concert. Chris Miller is the Operations Director for the Abrahamic Reunion since 2014. He's an ordained minister in the Sufi Universal Worship that honors all religions on one altar. He's also a representative in the Inayati Universalist Sufi order that was founded by Inayat Khan. He offers Sufi classes and lectures at Rising Tide. Would you come up and share your message, please, and the blessings of this ceremony?
Together chanting this in Jerusalem, and it's an amazing thing to do, and we can be part of that great echo, that great chorus. So, Salam Shalom, Salam Shalom, the high one, Salam Shalom, Salam Shalom, holding the vision of peace. Salam Shalom, Salam Shalom, Salam Shalom, Salam Shalom, feeling peace, radiating peace. Salam Shalom, Salam Shalom, sing out. Salam Shalom, Salam Shalom.
Assalamu alaikum.